Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning about which are the 10 best API testing tools which you can utilize in your API testing in your project. You will be learning the 10 best API testing tools which is available in the testing world. Before moving further, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. So let us move on and understand what is all about the API testing first. Then we will go and learn about what are the 10 best API tools. So first of all, let us understand what is API testing tool. So API testing is also nothing but it is a one type of software testing type. This is also one of the type of software testing, and the main purpose of the API testing is to test the programming interfaces. So its main purpose is to test the programming interfaces and integration of interfaces during integration testing. Let's say we have a calculator A comma B. Here you are going to send the value to calculate A and B. A could be A and B, A plus B, A plus C, everything these calculation functions will do, right? And it will return the number which is C. So here in this interface we'll be testing by passing all the parameters into the cal function. So this is all about the API testing. If I sending various parameters, various combinations of parameters, this function able to perform whatever the main requirement of that function. Here the main function of calculation is to perform addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and everything will be done at the block box level. API testing is at the block box level where the user not much bothered about at the internal details. You will be only focusing on sending the different values, and you will see whether he gets the right output or not as part of the API testing. In the API testing, we will be performing like one, as I discussed just now, cal function, which is a functionality of a calculator. Reliability, if I send any values or any number of values, still can we depend on this, and is it gives the right answers or not. And again a performance, let's say if start giving huge numbers into the interfaces, still whether it can get the answer within a 1 second or 2 seconds, something like that. And security aspects also, you should validate whether all the aspects of security has been taken care as part of the API testing. When you're testing, let's say if you're testing this cal function, the cal function you have to test in terms of the programming only. So you cannot test as part of the UI, where I'm going to get an UI, then I'm going to have a field A, then you have B, then submit button, then click on whatever the values if you enter, then here, then the next page you will be getting the sum is equal to C. Here there is no UI is there to calculate the numbers in the API testing. So here everything we have to send through the messaging layer. So where we do all the programming way to send the data and programming way to get the data and assess whether that interface or function is really working as expected or not. I hope you understood API testing now. Then let us move on to understand what are those 10 best tools available to perform API testing. The first important API testing tool available in the testing world is SOAP UI. This is one of the world's most popular API tool which is available in the market. You can get the more information regarding this SOAP UI tool at soapui.org. You can find the more information, what are the features it supports, what is the best advantage, what are the disadvantages. you can get the information at this location. The second is Catalan API. So Catalan API is also, it is from the Catalan Studio, where it also supports API testing. The third is Tricentis. So you can find out more information in this location, where API testing it doesn't make use of any code, and you can able to do API testing using these tools. So the refer Tricentis here. The fourth is Apache JMeter. This can be used to perform REST API testing. The fifth is RAML. You can get more information at this location to perform the API testing. Sixth is the Postman. You can refer this location, getpostman.com, where you can use this tool to perform API development. Seventh is RPG. This is used for API management. Eighth is Parasoft's SOA test. This is also another tool which is available in the market, which you can use SOA test for API testing tool. Ninth is vrest. vrest.io is another company which provides API testing for REST API testing tools. The last one is Ping API. Is another test tool which we can use to automate API testing. I hope you are able to get hold of what is API testing, and also what are those 10 different types of API testing tools which you can use for your projects. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you have visited first time Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification, so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.